Mauswag na Bicol. Ang lugar ng Marinsol. Pinakamalawak sa buong Bicol. May mahigit na 2 milyong populasyon. May 5 distrito. May 2 lungsod pangangalakan. Ang Pili at ang Naga. Dito matatagpuan ang pinakamaraming niyog sa buong Pilipinas. Coconut water, desiccated coconut, coconut cream, at coconut flour.
Ang nagpagawa po nito ay IDA worth 100 million. Plus yung Integrated Coconut Processing Hub sa likod, yun po ay pinunduan din ng Department of Agriculture sa halagang 230 million pesos, 180 sa equipment and 50 sa building. So yun ang tiningnan ng ating presidente ngayon. Tingnan yung development tsaka yung potential pa na kung ano pa mga pwedeng ilagay dito. Kasi this facility, this complex, in the long term, gustong maging CAMSUR Integrated Agricultural Processing Hub.
We are capable of processing about 160,000 nuts up to 320,000 nuts per day. With this facility, we would be able to produce, one is coconut water. We will be also producing coconut cream, and then desiccated coconut and coconut flour. We would like our farmers to concentrate sa farming, production, volume, and quality. And the government will take care of the selling of their products. We are trying to envision that the entire complex would become the Bicol Food Terminal facility, na kung saan we will be the center of food processing and also food commodities in this particular area.